I'm here at Dynamic Physical Therapy, and I've been attending physical therapy 3 times a week for about 2 months, maybe even more than 2 months, about 2 months. When I first started physical therapy, it was really a problem to walk at all. I had problems with gout and rheumatoid arthritis, uh, and in addition to cardiac problem. All of these different problems have been attended to by various different MDs, and the physical therapy that I've been getting from Terry and from Isha has really helped me to improve the quality of my life. It's like a rebirth. I'm able to move about, and I have much more autonomy than I did when I first met Isha and Terry.